Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Mishra. Welcome back again. Today I am gonna to present Internet Gateway of VPC. This is the important part of VPC. Already I have explained about the VPC and CIDR block in my previous video. If you haven't watched, I would request you please watch. Today I am gonna to present Internet Gateway. Say so first understand what is the Internet Gateway. Internet gateway is a virtual router that attached to the VPC and help our VPC instance to connect internet. If you create new VPC, then you must attach the internet gateway to VPC. When we are logging in your account, so default VPC is also available with internet gateway. That is a default. If you're creating new instance, new VPC, so you have to create internet gateway attached with the VPC. We can attach one internet gateway with one VPC. We cannot attach two internet gateway to VPC to single VPC. So now just going to explain flow. When any request generated from EC2 instance, first go to the network access control list. After this network access control list work as a firewall and pass the request to route table. Route table check the IP addresses. Based on this, pass to the internet gateway, and internet gateway send traffic to the internet. And same with internet gateway, internet get the response and send back to internet gateway. Internet gateway send to the route table, and route table send to the network access control list, and then EC2 receive the request. This is the flow. In this diagram, did not mention the network access control list and route table. We will cover in next video. So in this just simply show how to communicate the internet gateway with internet. Let's move sites. This is the VPC dashboard. This time clicking VPC dashboard. Here you can see that one default VPC and one internet gateway. This already is created when you logged in first time. This is the default, and same internet gateway attached with your VPC. This is you can see this. So you can also check here in VPC section about the internet gateway, it attached or not. Just select this one. You can see here details about the VPC. This is the VPC ID 1F7 to F4, and go to the internet gateway. This is attached with this F7 to F4. You can, here is the action. You can detach from this VPC and view details. You can see all the information about this internet gateway. This is the default internet gateway, not custom. So I'm just going to create one VPC. My VPC. My VPC one. Just I'm going to one CIDR block. 0/16 create VPC. This is the custom VPC that I have created. Now I'm going to create the internet gateway. This is today's topic. So here internet gateway, this is default. I just create new internet gateway. IZW internet gateway. Create internet gateway. So internet gateway has been created. Click on internet gateway. You can see that this internet gateway is showing detached status because I did not attach this one. So now I'm going to attaching. Just click on this one, attach to VPC. Select the VPC. This is your VPC that we have created, our VPC, and attach. In this way we can attach the internet gateway. I have told internet gateway we cannot attach the multiple internet gateway to VPC. So let's check. I'm going to create one more internet gateway. Internet gateway IZW2 create internet gateway. Going to internet gateway IZW2 I have created. So going to check, can we attach the multiple internet gateway to VPC? Attach to VPC, but you can see that here is the getting error. VPC do not have any VP. You don't have any VPC. You need to VPC in order to attach the internet gateway. So we cannot attach the multiple internet gateway to VPC. I am deleting the internet gateway that we created second time. So friends, this is about internet gateway. Please subscribe my channel and like so that I can create a new video for VPC. Uh, Next video I will be launch soon. Thanks, thanks to all.